Are you using your inhaler correctly? You would be surprised. Up to 80% of people with inhalers are missing at least one key thing when they take their medication to get a full dose. So, what is the one thing for you? Are you shaking your inhaler before you take it? If you're not, all that medication is settling into the bottom, which means you may get too much medication and not what you're looking for. The second thing, are you breathing too fast or too slow? If you're breathing in too fast, you're not going to get the whole medication. And if you're breathing too slow, again, you're going to run out of breath before you get all of the medication you need. Third thing, holding your breath afterwards. Are you holding your breath for up to 10 seconds after you take your medication? You need to, because it needs to get all the way down into those bronchioles. Yeah, those little air sacs, they need it for that inflammation. And here's my pro tip. If you are using a spacer or are taking a steroid inhaler, you need to make sure that you are rinsing your mouth every single time afterwards, because I don't want you to get something called oral thrush. It's not pretty and it's hard to get rid of. So make sure you're doing those. And you want to replace that spacer every 3 to 6 months. So always ask for a new one when you get your inhaler replaced. If you're still struggling with keeping your asthma symptoms under control, reach back out to us through your patient portal. We would love to hear from you.